Can I just say, never ever again I will drive to go to the Vistoria. Never! Grabe, muntikan na akong mapababa kanina because I was so angry at this jeepney driver. Sobrang basto. Siya na nga yung may mali. Tapos bumusina ako, siya pa yung nagalit, binusinahan pa niya ako. Muntikan ko na talaga siyang babain. But I'm like, you're lucky you have Jesus in my life because otherwise, I would have been like, excuse me! Kaya mo bang bayaran kung masagasaan mo ko? Hindi. Sorry na naman. Sorry po. Hindi ko po sinasadya. May sakit po lolo ko. Parang, Sige, fault na namin lahat, no? Porket mas kaya namin bayaran yung damages nyo. Utang na loob. Wala nang respeto magmaneho dito ang mga Pilipino.
Turn left on Reina Regente.
Kakainis. Lahat sila reckless drivers. I cannot. Paano ulad ang Pilipinas? Oh, nahanap ko na sila. Dito sila. Nasa kabila sila. Nasa kabila akong, bagong building ba to? Feeling ko bago to. Hindi ba? Or never pa ako nakapunta dito. Pero yung pinupunta ko yung hanggang 3 floors lang. Kaya sabi ko, ay naku si Chris, 4th floor daw. Hindi naman. Wala na namang 4th floor. Level 5. Sa kabila, level 3 lang. Oo. Tapos ayun, nahanap ko na sila. Sabi nila, hindi daw ako bibigyan ng discount kasi mukha daw ang foreigner. Mukha lang naman, nagtatagalog naman ako. Carry lang yan. Looks are deceiving. Looks are deceiving. Charot! And pupunta kami sa bilihan ng fabrics. I've never been in... I've been there one time for college. Tapos ngayon nag-worry sila na dalhin ako dun ba kasi hindi daw ako mukhang pang... mukha daw mag-mall. Hindi ako mukhang pang bangketa. Dati dito kami nagsha-shopping pag Christmas. May nagpo-picture sa amin. Naalala siya kasi updated siya sa vlogs ni Aisha. Cute! Bumibili na tayo ng fabric. I will buy this just because I want it. At niwan nila ako. Nasa kabilang shop sila. Hindi ko kasi ugaling umiikot. Hindi ko may nakita na akong go na. Ganun na yan. Wala na sa kabila. I don't know where they are. And ginagawa lang yung order ko. Puro ganito yung fabrics. Ganyan. For my backdrop. Ganda ba? Hindi ko maganda naman. So ngayon guys, I removed na my makeup. I'm now in Marriott Hotel in the buffet area. It's my Lola's birthday. We'll see her later. And it's my brother-in-law's dad's birthday. So happy birthday for everyone. A new year is always a blessing. So I'm now eating Japanese food. This is what I eat in case you're wondering. That's my mama. Mame. 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 So she's eating salad kasi pa-sexy siya. So I'm gonna try everything later and ang funny kasi from DV to Marriott parang such opposite lifestyles. I don't know. Pero ayun, I couldn't take the sweat kanina nung nasa DV ako. That's why I just removed my makeup. But do I look pretty without makeup? Do I look pretty without makeup? Always look pretty. Gusto ko yun. Sabi nila sa akin kanina, uy, si Carla Estrada. Tapos nagpo-picture sa akin, sabi niya, ma'am, akala ko kayo si Carla Estrada. Sabi ko, hindi naman, pero okay lang kasi maganda naman siya. Sabi niya, artista ka po ba, ma'am? Sabi ko, not yet. Tapos nagpo-picture sila just in case daw. Oh, diba? Hindi ko makita nila ako ulit. Masabi nila, ay, nag-picture na ako doon. Nakakatawa sila. Sana nga nakapag-vlog ako, kaso lang, it was too hot. Tsaka delikado yung phone. So, ayun, grabe, alam mo ma'am, binili ko 9 fabrics. Nag-go 1.5 yards for 2.4 para for my background on YouTube. Mahal. No, that's 9 different fabrics, ma. If I bought that sa mall, that's only 2 fabrics. Yes. Yung binili ko before sa mall, 2 yards or 1.5 yards, 800 sequins. Pero ngayon, that's, imagine, 2.4 lang. 9 different colors.
Makain na ako, nakabili.
Oo.
Makain ka na? Ako hindi.
Bakit? If you're gonna be a vlogger, vlog a mama, you're my mama, and I'm a vlogger, so you're a vlog a mama. Sila sabi mo, guys, this is what I'm eating today. So, kain na muna kami, kundi magagalit na naman to sa akin. So yun lang, I'll show you everyone later. My Lola's here. By the way, look, yung drink na in-order ko, may libreng panda. Para ako, kuya, magkano yan? Ito yung drink. It's cranberry mixed with strawberry and, magkano? 500? Mommy, oh my god, 500 pala tong drink na to, guys. Strawberry, cranberry, and apple with a pillow. What a trick. What a trick. Sabi nila, specialty daw nila yon. And then, boom, 500 pesos for this liquid thing. What a trick. Mama! Namiss mo ako?
Namiss ko daw ba siya?
Oo, nakikita kita.
Ako yung pasalubong mo ng mama.
Pinadala ko. Meron pa sino. A very nice... And the last I see the light. Mami, nagkasando tayo. Guys, at last I see the light. Babe. Oh my God. Mama, nung dadaan mamaya, sabihin mo kung okay na kung pwede kayong pakasal. Mamaya, saan niya saan kita pag dumaan na? Kumakain pa ng pagkain.
Bakit? Inaano ka ba?
Hindi, charot lang. Pero, malay mo.
Hindi niya alam hindi kang pakasalan mo.
Oo, hindi naman niya alam.
Paano binabati ka?
Hindi rin, ayun lang, kumukuha lang ng pagkain. Ayan na, mama. Mamaya, wait lang. Mabagal siya mag-design, ha? Wait lang, antayin mo lang muna.
Sa harap, alikong naman makaharap mo. Kaya kailangan lumagay naman naman.
Tagal kasi. Wala pa. Hindi! Hindi yun.
Ano naman?
Pwede? Suyuin ko na, mama. Mama, isipin mo itsura niya. Itsura ko pag nagkaanak kami. No.
Gamitin yung mga tapang nyo ngayon, ha?
Ayun o,
Matatapa kayo.
mag-isa lang siya, Besh. Isa lang siya. Ikot tayo, kunwari, titingin tayo pagkain. Hindi, pero seryoso. Asa, mas kitchen. Ayun o, pag-isa lang siya. Sabihin mo, hi, excuse me. Hey.
Hello.
Ay, second plate. Namaste. Chicken, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, and gulay. Love it. Go na.
Ayoko.
Sige na. Dali.
Medyo.
Dapat magpahaba ka na ng hair.
Si Mama Feli na iyak
Oo nga, Mama Feli. Ayun. Priority siya kasi mas matanda siya sa akin. Kumaga next in line, kailangan tantag doon, bigay, paraya. Magbigay galang na rin. Huwag yan, Besh. Ikaw, bet mo ba yung ganyan? Pwede na, choosy ka pa. Pwede na daw.
Yeah, balik-balikan yung mga Pilipino.
Hi, I am Filipino. So he likes Filipino food. Siyempre, mami ko, observant din. Tahimik lang siya kumakain. Napaka-stalker ko, tita. Close na kami. Oo. Pero, ako lang yung close sa kanya. Siya hindi siya close sa akin.
There's no one.
Ayan na ulit. Babe. No. You didn't see there was a cute guy.
Ma, meron pang
Oh!
magnet.
Mama approves. Supportive mama ko. Sabi niya, I should sit daw so with him. So, do you mind if I sit here? Supportive. Approve ba? Mag-isa pa rin siya kasi until now as you can see. Padala ko kaya ng tubig. Sabi niya, oh, it's from the girl to the third table.
Bigyan mo ng juice na 500 pesos.
Kasi daddy magbabayad. Daddy, nakita mo yung asawa ko? Dad, nakita mo yung future husband? Dad, will you approve? Kita mo?
Ano?
Oo. Ano, bet mo?
Bakit?
Bet mo? Asawa ko. Asawa ka na naman. Tunay na sila sa akin. Pakailang asawa ko na yan. Ay, oo nga. Pangalawa na. Pero hindi na naman niya ako kilala. Okay lang. James! Show dito how you eat. Ay. Show dito, Nina, how you eat.
Number na. Tinatabi ko na ako
But, babe, Jace, get us a boyfriend. Dali, ayun alone. Sabi mo, hey, do you like babies? My auntie is single. Game? Game? Ginawang bugaw. Color blue. Weirdo. Soldier boy, want me you. Soldier boy, you. You. Black. Jace, look. It's the color blue! Ay. Kailangan malalim ba? Blue! Ay. Jace, I have a joke. Ay, hindi gumana. Ikaw, try ulit.
I have a joke.
Wala.
About blue. About yellow.
Sa'yo na ako. I have a joke. Pee! Jade, I have a joke. Pee! Babaw, I love it. Which one is pregnant? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Alin ba ang buntis dito? Eto, oh, eto. Eto, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. In fairness. Pero hindi halata. Babe, how many months?
2 years.
2 years. Kumain.
Mine. 8 years.
Hindi, high school na yan eh. I had dinner with Lohasa. Yo. Miss you, Charlie. Kim has her has her gums done. What's the biggest smile you can do? Ganun lang. Ang cute mo, parang ka talagang grade school forever. Miko! Nak! Wait lang, blurred. Ayun. I'm with Jessica and Krish. Oh, diba? Slowly, let's cover. Joke lang. So now we're waiting for other members of the family. Ayun, Mr. J again. We're almost complete sila. Ano na lang, Aisha, Chris, and are they all coming?
Yes.
Okay, good. Rojin also, yay. Being well fed by the company again. Show me nga how you do your chopsticks. Joke lang.
Easy pag tiny pieces. But it gets more.
Oh, you know what? I don't like the yung metal ones. Kasi walang grip. No?
Dude, imagine mo ako kahit na wooden.
It's so cute. Okay, so now we're at this wine place and it's so pretty. I'll show. Diba, we can just choose off the rack and my price is na dyan and it's not really expensive. It's just the right amount. Like 800, 900 for a bottle, 600, 690. So, ooh, we'll see how the night goes. So now they're picking what wine we should drink. I'm very like a child, so I base it sometimes with the color. Kapag pink, I want that. Wait. Yum, 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 yum. Second wine. Ayun, focus. Nagbo-boomerang ka ba?
Like 1, 2, 3, go.